In this short tutorial, we will explain how to effectively use Saillogger's geofencing feature. Geofencing isn't just about keeping your boat secure, it offers a range of versatile applications. Whether you're managing a personal vessel or running a charter fleet, geofencing helps you monitor and control boat movements in real time. For example, you can define a safe zone where your boats should remain or set up specific zones to meet insurance requirements. Let's dive in and explore how this powerful feature can enhance both safety and operational efficiency. When you log into Saillogger, you'll see your boat. Here, our boat is at anchor and Saillogger shows its details. Close the pop-up, then zoom in on the map to reveal more details. Let's now define a geofence. A geofence is a virtual boundary drawn around your boat that triggers notifications if your boat leaves that area. Click the anchor icon in the top right to get started. Please note that this is different from an anchor alarm. We highly recommend that you use an anchor alarm installed on your boat. Saillogger's geofencing function further enhances your security by enabling remote monitoring and allowing you to create custom-shaped zones. Now you can draw a zone on the map by clicking on at least 3 points. Begin by clicking on a point on the map. Continue clicking on the map to create your desired zone. Feel free to add as many points as you need. In this example, we are approximating a circle. Once you're finished, click the first point to close the zone. You have now set a geofence. If your boat leaves this zone, you'll immediately receive notifications via email and push notifications on your mobile device, provided that you have enabled these features. You will also notice that you can now see the track of your boat, as well as those of neighboring boats on AIS. This provides insight into whether these boats are holding their anchor or possibly dragging. You may also notice that nearby boats are displayed in purple or green. Green indicates the boats you've designated as friends. We'll cover this functionality in more detail in future tutorials. Now let's explore another application of the geofencing feature. We'll leverage an advanced Saillogger function that allows you to switch to a different boat. If you have multiple boats and would like to use this feature, please contact us. Here you can see a boat docked at a marina. Zoom in to take a closer look. Now let's proceed by setting a geofence. Define a zone that you deem safe. If the boat leaves this zone, you will be notified. Here we are going to draw a rectangle. You can define an entire bay or even an entire state or country as a zone if you'd like. Once you're finished, click on the first point to close the zone. This feature is useful if you're leaving your boat and want to ensure that no one takes it for a ride while you're away. Geofencing can be applied in various scenarios. For example, if you operate a charter fleet, you can establish a safe zone where your boats are expected to remain, or set up geofencing zones to meet insurance coverage requirements. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to effectively use Saillogger's geofencing feature. We hope you found the information helpful and that it gives you a better understanding of how geofencing can enhance your boat's security and operational efficiency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and updates. Safe boating, and we'll see you in the next video.